Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit an existing localization. So a localization with at least one point pair in it. So what I've done is I have a project with an existing localization, and to access that localization, what I'm going to do is click on Project Data and then GNSS Local Transformation. Now you can see here I have some existing parameters for my localization, but what I want to do is switch the point that it's tied in to, because I made a mistake. Instead of selecting point 10, I select point 1. So to do that, what I'm going to do is click on Modify. And you can see here I have a single point on here. So to edit any of my point pairs, what I'm going to do is click on the two little dots at the far left of the point pair, which is going to open up a menu where I can either remove it from the localization, if that is my desire, or select Edit to change it. Now, as I said, I want to change from point 1 to point 10 here. So what I'm going to do is click on Select Existing, but I could also create a new point for my local control. And with my local control properly set, if I needed to remeasure my GNSS point, I could do that now, or I could leave it as is, which is what I'm going to do in this case, and click on Add Pair in the bottom right corner. With my point pair properly set up here, I can click on Apply, at which point it will recalculate all GNSS points in my project, which should hopefully fix any bust or error that I am seeing. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you edit your localization inside of FieldGenius. And if you have a moment, I'd ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really does help us out. It helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us online at bench-mark.ca.